You not allow us to waste all our data. We will watch your tutorial. Meanwhile, you're so rubbish.
What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? How you doing? It's been a while. So today's video is going to be about things that vex me that sewing content creators do. PS. Video disclaimer. Please, this is just for jokes. I'm just joking. I'm not saying I'm perfect. But then I'm sure you too, you've noticed some of these things. So yeah, the first one is those tailors that paint with chalk. I don't understand. During one small simple line mark it, you go color the thing with the chalk. You add like 2 inches to the measurements that you're marking. Why are you painting your work? Picasso, why you do that? It's not good. Eh? Number two, those people that will not use the picture of what they saw as the thumbnail. You're not deceiving us. You're not deceiving us. We'll go and waste data, watch your video because we think that this girl is about to sew skirt and blouse. At the ending, what you see is not what you order for. Put your own. Are you ashamed of it? Are you ashamed? Because you said we know that you so rubbish. Number three, talkatives. I understand that you're doing a detailed sewing tutorial, but don't use 15 minutes of your 17-minute tutorial to talk. Show us what you are teaching us. Ah, you're talking too much. Cha cha cha. You go talk, talk, talk. I know a particular fashion tutor. Show us what to cut. You dey talk, 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 talk. She's good though. That's just the bad part. But she starts the tutorial from like video 7 of 10. Like, show us what to do. Sewing is a practical course, not a talking course. Number four. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Yes, we can see it. As we are watching the video, we can see. Continue. Can you see? As you can see. Can you see? Can you see? We can see it. And see, we can see it. If we cannot see it, we will go back. It's a video. Can you see? Can you see? Thank you very much. You are doing a very good job. You're doing a fantastic job. But can you reduce the can you see? Or do you get? Do you understand? There's one that even she said, can you see? Can you see? Can you understand? Can you understand? She now said, I hope you don't understand. I love you people. You guys are doing a fantastic job. Please continue to put out more content and we'll continue to watch, share, subscribe. We'll continue to do all the good things. So yeah, that's the end of my TED talk. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you have another irks that content creators do, please leave it down below. Thank you.